Did you know that 85% of the jobs that will exist in 2025 haven't even been invented yet? But here's the good news. There are 3 online skills that will dominate the future, and mastering them now can help you secure a lucrative income. Stick around because today I'm breaking down exactly what these skills are, how to learn them, and where to find high-paying opportunities. Let's dive in. The first skill you need to master in 2025 is video editing. With video content dominating the internet, businesses are willing to pay top dollar for skilled editors who can create professional quality videos. Here's how you can make money with video editing. Freelance platforms offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Behance. Content creators work with YouTubers, podcasters, or influencers who need help editing their videos. Sell templates, create and sell pre-made video templates or effects on marketplaces like Motion Array or Envato Elements. The average video editor earns between $40 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. Here's how you can learn video editing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Premiere Gal or Peter McKinnon offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Skillshare, video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro, or Udemy, video editing for beginners. Practice tools. Use free tools like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork. Great for finding freelance video editing gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable editing services. Behance, ideal for showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is social media management. In 2025, businesses are spending billions on social media marketing, and they need skilled managers to create engaging content, run ads, and grow their online communities. Here's how you can make money with social media management. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Local businesses. Approach small businesses that need help managing their social media accounts. Agency work. Join a digital marketing agency to gain experience and build your portfolio. The average social media manager earns between $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn social media management free resources. YouTube channels like Social Media Examiner or blogs like Hootsuite's blog offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Coursera, Social Media Marketing Specialization, or Udemy, Social Media Management Mastery. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva for designing posts or Buffer for scheduling content. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork. Great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick social media management gigs. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for social media experts. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is copywriting. In 2025, businesses are constantly looking for talented writers to create persuasive content that sells. Whether it's crafting emails, ads, or website content, copywriters are in high demand. Here's how you can make money with copywriting. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger. Content agencies. Join agencies that specialize in copywriting. Start a blog. Monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. The average copywriter earns between $50 to $200 per project, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn copywriting. Free resources. YouTube channels like Copywriting Secrets or blogs like Copyblogger offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Coursera, Copywriting Specialization, or Udemy, Copywriting for Beginners. Practice. Start by writing sample pieces for fictional brands or local businesses to showcase your skills. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance copywriting gigs. ProBlogger Job Board, perfect for long-term writing opportunities. Fiverr, ideal for offering quick copywriting services. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know the top 3 online skills that will make you money in 2025. Video editing, social media management, and copywriting. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these skills are in high demand and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one skill, and scale as you go. Be consistent, show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.